pipe Thunder Series, and got tuned cold air, hard short throw. Bought it a few months ago. Love the car. Highly recommend buying one. Windows up, I'm in 6th gear, windows up. I have a track pack, so I'm running 373 gears. So the drone's not bad at all on this Flowmaster Thunder Series with the off-road X pipes. Not bad at all, and cops don't really recognize it if I'm not getting on it. But if you want to get on it, it definitely gets loud. I think it's perfect to me. But yeah, this is just casual driving. Nice and comfortable. Gas mileage ain't great, but miles per gallon at this point. If you guys are on the fence of buying a S197 or S550, my friend has an S550. I've been in it. I'm 6'1". I really wasn't that comfortable. I have 2 kids, 2 car seats in the back, so I was crammed into the dash on that S550. But this S197 just seemed to have a little bit more room. And to me, solder axle and all that is still a Mustang, And I love S550s, but these are my favorite years, and I would highly recommend getting one if you have the means to. I've had a lot of other Mustangs, Fox bodies, S1 or SN95s, but I just was kind of looking at how to get 450 horsepower in those cars versus just buying this, and I would definitely recommend getting one of these if you can. I love the older Mustangs, but out of the box, these are just great. And then I had this one's tuned with a couple bolt-ons, and one of my other videos, I raced a 3-valve turbo, one of the on turbo kits, and yeah, I beat it by about 2 cars. He couldn't catch me, so of course the spool was one of them. He took him a while to spool up, but yeah, he couldn't catch me after that. And just 373s really help out. Other than that, yeah, it's just a real fun car. I would highly recommend getting one. Yeah, see, the drone's not bad, but if I downshift though, you can hear it. See, it's not bad at all though. I'm in construction, so I really can't go too fast, but yeah, that's pretty much what it's like.